Good morning, students. Let us start our part B of computer science vocational skills, which includes digital documentation. The first chapter is digital documentation, and the software used here is the Open Office. Okay. So the topics which comes under digital documentation were create and apply styles in the document, insert and use images, create and use templates, create and customize table of content, implement mail merge are those five topics which comes under digital documentation. So first topic, create and apply style. A style is a set of formats that you can apply to the selected pages, text, frames, and other elements in your document. Okay, so element in a document to quickly change their appearance. So what is a style? It is a set of format. For example, if we are selecting this slide as a page and the content mentioned here is taken as a text, so when you are applying styles to this text, it will change immediately to another form which you are expecting. Okay, it may be styles may be based on what type of style we are giving. So there are certain types of styles which are mentioned below to change their appearance. First style is page style. Page style includes adding margin or modifying the margin, headers and footers, borders and backgrounds, all those things. Okay, so you know what is borders, backgrounds? Backgrounds is the thing which looks like a transparent, so or else picture which is being the text being wrapped, all these things. Next thing is paragraph style. So once selecting a paragraph, particular paragraph is being selected, and the text font text can be altered by using tab stops, line spacing, and the borders which is given to that paragraph, the words between each words in the paragraph, and the spaces between each, all those things. Next thing is character style. Character is the letter styling, so font and size of the text, or bold or italic, what type of style you want to form follow, all these things comes under character style. Next thing is frame style. So frame style include wrapping type. So once a frame is being created and wrapping the text into the border. Okay, next thing is numbering style. So like bullets, characters, and all those fonts, numbered bullets we have studied in the ninth standard, ordered and unordered list, all these things comes under numbering style. Cell style, if we are following some spreadsheet like cells, and those cells can be aligned using, so positioning the text into the center, aligning them, then borders for those cells, all these things. Next one is graphic style. When presenting some lines or pictures, you will be adding what effects to your images, then transparency or font connectors, dimensions, all those things will comes under graphic style. Presentation includes your spacing, indent refers to the indent is also a space that you gives to before you start a paragraph, so all those things. Okay, all these things comes under presentation style. So these are the types of style which we are using here. Next thing is applying style. So once you want to apply style to your selected text, I said there are a lot of types of styles. So if you want to apply style, have this is the window. This is the window of your open office. If you want to give style, you have to select the format tab. In the format tab, this is the format tab, and the format tab you will be giving with the styles and formatting option. Once you click this window will be opened. Okay, so or else on the left bottom left corner edge, there is an icon which can be selected in order to show the styles and formatting window. Okay, so this includes paragraph styles. So let us discuss detail. See here, we can see the paragraph styles, character style, frame style, page styles, list styles, and then fill format style and new style selection. So this new style selection will includes your own style, that is your own customization. Update style will includes once a new style is being taken, once the old style is being taken and some modifications to be added, and then finally updating. Okay, the next one is using fill format mode. So in order to use the fill format mode, is it is used to apply style to many different areas quickly without having to go back to the style and formatting window and double click it every time. So fill format mode in sense already predefined styles will be applied open already. Okay, for that you have to open the styles and formatting window and have to select which type of style. Already used style will be given in like that on, and you have to select the fill format mode. So here we are seeing no fill format mode. This mode you have to select, and then to apply the paragraph you have to hover over means just doing this, doing like this with your cursor. That is the hover over the mouse over the paragraph where you want to apply the style, and to quit from that you have to press the escape key. Okay, or else again you have to go and click that fill format mode, so that you will come out of the fill format mode. Okay, next thing is creating new style. So there is an option in the, let us go back to this styles and format window and see. So there is an option for new style for selection. So this is the one we are using, going to use here. So see the steps. Open the styles and formatting window, choose the types of style you want to create. In the document, select the item you want to save as a style. So once open, the style will be selected, and then those selected portion will be taken. Okay, so that item alone will be taken and added as a, in the third step we are clicking on the new style from the selection icon. So new style have to be selected, and finally in the create style dialog box you have to type a new style for your new newly designed, that is your customized one, and click ok to save the new style. Okay, so next thing is dragging and dropping to create a style. So once you are following a document, and that document consists of a file which have some style, you want to apply the same style to a new document, dragging and dropping will help you. Okay, select some text and drag it to the style formatting window. If paragraph styles are active, the paragraph styles will be added to the list. Okay, you have to select what type, what the text to be added to your existing one. So that after selecting, have to move to the styles and formatting window. After clicking onto it, the paragraph style icon will be active, and you can apply to that. Okay, if the character styles are active, the character styles will be added to the list. What type of style being followed will be added. Okay, next thing is updating a style from the selection. So once a style is being selected, so how we'll see, look into the steps. Open styles and formatting window. In the document, select an item that has the format you want to adapt as a style. So similar to that of a dragging and dropping, you will be having an existing file, so that you may like some format, select the style you want to update. You have to select, you want to update. Okay, you have to select the style which you want to update, and then long click on the arrow next to the new style from the selection icon. Click on the update style. So after selecting that, you have to long press on the arrow which is next to the new style, the selection icon, and then you have to select the click click on to the update style. Okay, Next thing is loading styles from a template or a document. So if you are loading something from a template or a document, you have to go to, you have to select, so the steps includes, so first thing is you have to open the document where you want to copy your styles. Okay, so we have to open the document. In the styles and formatting window, long click on the arrow next to the new style from selection icon, load styles. So again I'll tell you, so you have to select, long click on the arrow next to the new style from selection icon. So you have to select the selection icon and then you'll form a new style. After that you have to select load styles. If you select that, this window will be open, that is load styles will be open. So on the load style dialog box, find and select where the template you want to copy styles from. So these are the already existing styles, so you have to select this, any one of the loaded style for which you want going to apply, and then select the categories of the styles to be copied. Finally have to give this overwrite option. So this overwrite option you have to select, if you want the styles to be copied from the, replace any styles of the same names in the document you are copying them into. After that you have to click OK, so that your file will be copied to the, your existing styles will be copied from a document. Okay, next thing, insert and use images. So next thing is, first thing we have seen how to create a style and use the existing styles. So next thing is insert and use documents. So inserting documents in sense, so images in sense, images can be added to a document for reference in several ways, by inserting file image, then from using graphics from a scanner, or from the OO gallery. First thing is dragging and dropping. First how to insert a picture? By dragging and dropping. So first you have to open a file browser. In the normal MS PowerPoint, MS Word, how you will insert, we'll have to go to the insert option. So similarly we are going here into the file browser window, locate the image where you want to insert. So which image you want to insert have to be selected and you have to insert that. Okay, drag the image into the writer document. So where the document will be written, no, typed, no, that is position is called as writer document. You have to drag that image and drop it where you want to appear. A small vertical line will marks where the image will be dropped. Okay, so this is one method. Second method is insert picture from the file menu bar. So from the menu bar we have to select the location of the file. See here, once you click the insert picture, your icon will be displayed like this, and you have to select which picture you want. These are the collections of images, and you have to select one image and then giving open option, which image is selected will be displayed on the right side. So after that you have to click OK. Okay, next thing is inserting an image from the clipboard. So a clipboard refers to a source document. So where yes, source document where you are selecting your style from it. Inserting image from the clipboard, you have to open both the, here we have to using two documents. The first one is target document and the another one is source document. Okay, so you have to open both the source and the target document. In the source document you have to select the image where your image is already located, no, have to copy that and move the pointer to the selected image and press Ctrl C to copy to the clipboard. Switch to the, now you have to, after that pressing copy or Ctrl plus C, have to move to the target document where you are going to again place it. Then click the cursor where you want to insert and press the Control V, that is, Control C for copy and Control V for paste. This is one method of inserting image from the clipboard. Next thing is inserting an image using scanner. If you are using scanner, then you have to if a scanner is being connected to your computer, then it will that is open office writer will call for the scanning application inserted and the scanned item into a document as an image. For starting this, you have to go to the insert, then sorry, picture option, and then scan option will be there. You have to select scan, and you have to select the source where your picture is. Okay, next thing is inserting an image from the gallery. So gallery in sense already collections of images. So for that you have to select tools. So click on the gallery icon or choose tools from the gallery from the menu bar. You have to select the menu bar where the gallery option will be there. Then navigate through the gallery to find the desired picture. Have to just scroll down your document in order to select your required picture, and to insert the picture, click and drag it from the gallery into the writer document. So you have to just again you have to drag into the required, that is source document. Okay, sorry, targeted document, and you have to select insert plus copy. So like this your picture will be there. So you have, these are the collections of images, that is the gallery. So this is the writer document. So if you want to copy this document to here, you have to select like this, and you have to drag this to this writer document, and you can also right click on the picture and insert copy, and you have to paste here. Okay, next thing is modify an image. So modifying an image includes these things. So modifying refers to the usage of picture toolbar, then graphics mode, then flip vertically, flip in sense cutting vertically or horizontally, then filter, using filters, then color, transparency for your file, cropping, and then finally resizing. These are the possible modification which can be done to your images in the document. So there are some common filters which will be helpful for you to do your cropping. Okay, first thing is invert. So this icon refers to the invert. So invert the color values of a color image or the brightness value of the grayscale. So the color of the brightness value will be changes accordingly. Next thing is smooth. Smooth refers to the all the sharp edges of your images, contrast will be reduced. Sharpen will highlights your contrast. You have done in the some photoshop twist, right? Next thing is remove noise. So if any blemishes like images will be there, it will be removed using this remove noise. Then next one is solarization. Solarization will minimizes the too much light in your picture and to adjust the parameters. Okay, next thing is aging. So this will be helpful for you to simulates using effects on time in the picture. Okay, next thing is posterize. Make your picture to appear like a painting by reducing the number of colors like black and white, similar to that. Okay, the next one is pop art. So pop art will modifies the picture dramatically. So like a drama pictures, your picture will be visible. Then next one is charcoal. As a usage of the charcoal sketches will be used there. Next thing is a relief. Once you click your relief option, a dialog box is displayed to adjust the light source. That will help you to create a shadow effect for your images. Next one is mosaic. Mosaic is the one which you want to hide something behind or from the in the side. You can use mosaic option in order to highlight a particular thing. Okay, next thing is cropping an image. If you select a crop option, this dialog box will be displayed so that you can adjust to the left, to the right, and these things. So this keep scale help you to keep the grayscale parameters visible one, or if you want to keep image size, this will makes you to Selected cropping images will be enlarged, shrinking, distortion, all these things will be reduced. Okay, left, right, top, bottom includes alterations that is needed towards the directions. Cropping in sense cutting, right? Next thing is resizing. So resizing includes once a picture is being selected, these small dots like that, right? These icons helps you to resize your image. Okay, on dragging to the towards or out away from the picture. So if you are selecting only the dragging option, your image will be displayed like this. If you want your image to be displayed as a smaller one as like original, have to select the shift key along with. Okay, next thing is rotating a picture. So if you want to rotate a picture, then you have to select a small handle at the top, a green handle or a depends upon. So this handle at the top, and you have to rotate it accordingly towards clockwise or other to the anti-clockwise direction. So there is a possibility for a drawing toolbar. So this drawing toolbar will includes the about 17 options. So this 17 options will tell you what for it is. So first thing is to use it first thing is select the icon. The cursor will shows you what to select and where to select. Next thing is a line. So the bold line or edged line, which type of line you're selecting. Next thing is rectangle. So the sizes, the shapes that you're using. Next thing is ellipse. Ellipse refers to the edgeless rectangles, right? Next thing is free form line. So free form line refers you to draw you can draw wherever you need. Next thing is adding text. Call outs like dialog boxes and basic shapes. Your commonly used dialog box, that is diamond shape, all these shapes can be used, comes under this. Next thing is symbols and shapes. So different varieties of symbols like smileys, all these things can be used along with. Next one is block arrow to show the data movement, to show the data flow. This icon is used. Next thing is flow charts. When you're drawing a flow charts, this will be helpful in order to show your growth or progress. Next thing is call out. Call out is also similar to that of the seventh icon. That is again one call outs. So this will be of different shapes and sizes. Next thing is stars. Stars refers to the highlightness that is used with the shapes. Next thing is points. So points refers to the dotted line, dots which can be added further. Next thing is font work gallery. So font work gallery refers to the f- collection selection of your font and working on it. Okay, next thing is from file. So your source will be selected using from file option and extrusion on off button. So this extrusion on off will help you to click on to the drawing toolbar or else exit from it. Okay, next thing is drawing object properties toolbar. So similar to that, here it comes with certain reduced number of additional features. First, as I said, line and arrow style, you know what it is used for. So line is used to draw between your margins and everything. The next thing is arrow styles. So arrow styles refers to the when you are using some arrows, some modified styled arrows will be added in order to show some of your files to be look speculate. Next thing is line style. So what type of style you are following when you are drawing a margin. It may be dotted or like a waves, whatever. So that comes under line style. Next thing is line width. Size of your line. Size of your line may be of darken or thinner lines, etc. Next thing is area. So you want what area you are using. The line color followed with that. Line colors shows the type color of your line you are drawing. Okay, next thing area style, filling, rotating. So to foreground and background includes what to be added to the foreground before the page or towards the background. Background represents the transparency that you're applying for the page. Okay. Next thing is bring to front, sending to back. All these things will be included under the drawing object toolbar. Okay, next thing is drawing object toolbar will also includes ungroup option and the group option at the last, which helps you to form a group of your document, also to release it. Okay, so grouping documents, once you are grouping something, if you are grouping all these things, if you drag like this, all the groups will be collected and followed towards your required destination. If not, it will be moving like single items. Okay, that's all. Thank you.